Did game cartridges evolve into modern Switch flash cards? Imagine a world where video games were confined to bulky cartridges, each one a physical representation of a digital adventure. As technology advanced, so did the way we store and play our favorite games. The journey from traditional game cartridges to the sleek flash cards used in modern gaming systems, such as the Nintendo Switch, is a fascinating evolution worth exploring. Game cartridges first emerged in the late 1970s and early 1980s, primarily for home console systems. These cartridges contained read-only memory chips, which stored the game data. Players would insert the cartridge into the console, allowing the system to access the game. This format was revolutionary at the time, providing a portable way to enjoy video games. However, as technology progressed, the limitations of cartridges became apparent. They were often bulky, had limited storage capacity, and required physical handling, which could lead to wear and tear. As the gaming industry evolved, so did the storage mediums. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, optical discs became popular. These discs offered greater storage capacity and allowed for more complex games with enhanced graphics and sound. However, they also had their drawbacks, such as slower loading times and susceptibility to scratches. The introduction of flash memory technology marked a significant turning point. Flash memory is a type of non-volatile storage that retains data even when the power is turned off. This technology allowed for smaller, more durable storage options. The Nintendo Switch utilizes this technology in the form of flash cards, which are compact and can hold a significant amount of data, enabling players to enjoy high-quality games without the bulk of traditional cartridges. While game cartridges and modern flash cards serve the same fundamental purpose of storing game data, the evolution reflects broader trends in technology and consumer preferences. Flash cards provide faster loading times, increased storage capacity, and a more streamlined gaming experience. They are also less prone to physical damage compared to their cartridge predecessors. In conclusion, while game cartridges did not directly evolve into modern Switch flash cards, they representing a significant step in the ongoing advancement of gaming technology. The transition from cartridges to flash cards illustrates the industry's response to the demand for more efficient, user-friendly gaming experiences.